How to sign up account for Bitget. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Bitget account. Whether you're new to crypto trading or just joining Bitget, this guide will walk you through the process. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.bitget.com. Now make sure you're on the official site for security reasons. Click on it. Now on the Bitget homepage, you will need to simply log into your account. If not, you will get to the sign up page. What you need to do is enter your email address. Now simply set a password. And simply click on I have already read and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy and click on create account. Now you need to simply select or simply verify the captcha. Do that. Click on OK. Now enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Simply enter it. And that's it. Your account has been created in your Bitget. Now to verify your account, simply click on verify now. Now tap on your profile at the top. Here you can simply see your username and all. Click on it. Now you can simply update your profile by simply clicking on my profile. You can simply choose security as well. And you can see all your assets and all. And that's it. That's how you can simply set up your Bitget account.